Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2016 Chevy Silverado LTZ Crew Cab 4-wheel drive. Stock number Z9915X. 46,000 miles in this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Silverado brand new, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 6 with a leather interior. Split seat bottoms flip up for additional cargo space. Rear defrost for excellent visibility and power sliding window for extra ventilation. Soft tonneau cover. Locking tailgate. Backup camera along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Trailering package. That backup camera is perfect for hooking up a trailer without any assistance. Bed rug for protection as well as easy cleaning. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. Step bars make it easy to get in and out, especially for kids or shorter passengers. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start. Power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, power seats along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, puts you in that perfect driving position. Integrated trailer brake control, 4-wheel drive, shift on the fly with auto setting. Be great if I use the right key. I get only 46,000 miles. Leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora radio apps. And there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control along with heated front seats. Power adjustable pedals. Great for shorter drivers. Cup holders and storage in the center console. Up and out of the way for middle passenger with even more storage below. Dual glove boxes with all the owner's materials. Overhead auto dimming mirror, home link transmitter for garage door opener, and sliding rear window control. Under the hood, the Silverado is a 5.3 liter V8, 355 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles per gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on the Silverado, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.